It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving South Central Indiana. At Riverway Plumbing, we see it all the time. A slow drain that seems harmless at first, but quickly turns into a major headache. If your sink or tub is draining slowly, it's not just a minor annoyance. It's your plumbing system warning you that something's wrong. Slow drains are usually caused by buildup, grease, hair, soap, or even tree roots. If ignored, that buildup can lead to a total blockage. This means standing water, bad smells, and even water damage or sewage backups in your home. Ignoring slow drains can also cause mold growth, pipe corrosion, and costly repairs. Bacteria thrive in standing water, putting your family's health at risk. The good news? Most slow drains are easy to fix if caught early. Our licensed team is available 24/7 for fast, professional help. Don't let a small issue become a disaster. Call Riverway Plumbing today at 812-327-8080 or visit us at riverwayplumbing.com and keep your home safe and comfortable.